How to enable or disable auto-generated caption on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on its home page. Once you're in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Move into Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll down and move into Accessibility. It will be landing you on Space. So in this page, you should see the option where it says Auto-Generated Caption. If you have that option, all you want to do is toggle on the button in order to enable it, whereas toggle off the button if you want to disable it. Well, if you couldn't find that option, then it might be because your application is not up to date. So all you want to do is head over to your App Store and then search for the application TikTok. In there, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable or disable auto-generated caption on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.